Skanray is a leading international healthcare technology company. Our vision is to aid primary healthcare with products of international quality and performance at an affordable level to the rural population of the world. Skanray does that by combining the latest in technology with simplicity of design, innovation and high performance for efficient patient care.
Our target is to cover almost 80% of the population in the country that is in the rural areas, in small villages and small towns, and provide healthcare at the cost of around $2 to $3 per month per person.
But getting Skanray off the ground has been a brutal process. In the years since he started, Alva has refused demands for bribes, faced down violent protests at his factory site, and pleaded with his bank to release promised loans. When the factory was being built, protesters showed up repeatedly to disrupt construction, and some employees were beaten up.
He hit it here and backside. For a few days I couldn't eat anything from by that hit, by that slap.
The site was reviewed and judged environmentally safe by a state official, but Alva's opponents, who deny threatening his workers or asking for payoffs, call that a faulty decision.
In 2007, Skanray was incorporated by a team of ex-GE healthcare professionals. In 2009, we attracted first round of funding from Magnus Capital. In 2010, Skanray got its first AERB approval, and we made our commercial launch in 2011. In 2012, we acquired L&T Medical, and that was followed by the acquisition of CEI Italy in 2014. We launched our Brazil manufacturing facility and operations in 2015 and went on to acquire Mectron Dental India in 2016. With its state-of-the-art manufacturing and R&D facilities spread across 2 continents and a large portfolio of medical devices, Skanray provides total healthcare solutions to hospitals and clinics by bringing in the best of design and technology from across the globe. Economic Times recognized us as one of the most promising entrepreneurs. In 2013, we got the Red Herring Top Innovative Companies of Asia Award. In 2014, Skanray found a place in Forbes' Top 5 Indian Startups. We also received the Healthcare Entrepreneurship Excellence Award from Frost & Sullivan the same year. In 2016, we received the Best Exporter Award Engineering Sector by the Karnataka government.
We started Skanray in the year 2007, and in 10 years, we are one of the leading providers of medical equipment to India and to many developed countries around the globe.
At Skanray, we have developed high voltage DC X-ray generator technology that will go into all radiology products of Skanray. In fact, first 3 years of Skanray's focus was on developing scalable X-ray generator platforms. Several technology elements needed to be mastered and perfected to design the product. That includes power electronics and control, high voltage engineering and packaging, and thermal management, etc.
I want to talk about the application of our radiology products. First, the microscan. It is an ultralight mobile high-frequency X-ray, about 55 kg, which is having 2.8 kW, 60 mA with APR table for better X-ray parameter. Microscan Ion. It is a battery-operated version of microscan, which provides up to 200 exposure in idle condition on full charge. SKANMOBILE. It is a 4 kW 100 mA mobile high-frequency X-ray machine, about 85 kg, which is easy to move from one place to another. SKANMOBILE DR. Having cesium iodide scintillator flat panel detector with IIS and smart switch technology. SKANMOBILE DG. High-frequency machine with computed radiography having large touch screen with PACS and DICOM compatible images. SKANRAD. It is a 45 kW high-frequency fixed X-ray system with a range of 40 to 125 kV and 10 to 600 mA.
More than any international requirements, healthcare with products of international quality at affordable cost is Skanray's vision. To realize this vision, we are working on establishing and implementing strong quality culture at every process.
This is the product SKANSY. This is a new entrant in the SKANSY family of products called Magnum. This machine is basically used for surgical operations where patient when he is getting operated, they're used to see what all things are going inside the body and how things are moving inside and things like that.
The patient monitoring systems that we manufacture meets the safety norms and are reliable. The 7th generation patient monitoring systems that which we have launched recently are built on a reliable platform and offer a very intuitive user interface.
Being the country's biggest medical technologies company, Skanray has a wide range of patient monitoring systems, starting from single parameter patient monitoring systems to high-end modular patient monitors.
This is the production area of RMS products, that's respiratory management system. We have got anesthesia workstation and the critical care ventilators lined up here. Skanray has got 2 different critical care ventilators. One is SkanRespiro and SkanRespiro Plus.
Anesthesia machines, as you know, are used in the operation theatres to maintain a patient in the state of general anesthesia during surgery. The other critical equipment that we make is ventilator. It is a life-saving medical device used in intensive care units, that is ICUs. It is used to support patients who are unable to breathe on their own. The machine is designed to move breathable air into and out of the lungs to provide breathing for the patient.
SurgiScan is a high-frequency electrosurgical unit used to cut and coagulate the tissues with minimum blood loss, and it works in RF range and operates at a frequency of 350 kHz. It supports monopolar as well as bipolar cut and coagulation modes. If I come to the monopolar modes, we have micro cut, low cut and super cut modes, and in coagulation modes we have spray, fulgurate, swift and soft coagulation mode.
There are basically 2 types of defibrillators, the public AED and the professional defibrillators. Both the products have to deal with a special problem. They are very rarely used, but when it comes to time, no matter what, they have to be ready for the situation. And our quality assurance system ensures that it goes no other way.
Sudden cardiac arrest is one of the major causes of concern worldwide because it comes without warning. Statistics say over 80% of the unexplained sudden death is attributed SCA, and if that's not enough, more than 60% of the coronary artery disease cases which are reported worldwide are from South Asia. When it comes to treatment, defibrillators are the front line of defense against this SCA, and that makes it more important for Skanray.
In many ways, we are very different from other startups. We started off with a plan to launch a product that can be sold globally. As Skanray, we give topmost priority to customer service. To give real service, you must add something which cannot be bought or measured with money, and that is sincerity and integrity. Our team is compassionate about customer service and strongly believes in these values.
To be in line with company's vision of providing safe and reliable product to market, we ensure strict adherence of process and procedures to meet required international regulations.
We have adopted all good governance practices followed by very large multinationals and listed companies in India. Like we are audited by one of the big four, Deloitte, Haskins and Sells, and our internal audit is done by a very reputed chartered firm based out of Mysore, and it is done monthly.
built comprehensive product portfolio for the Indian as well as global market, be it critical care, be it radiology, cardiology, respiration, anesthesia, and even dental.
We have filed 86 patents and 37 trademarks and 35 design registration.
Skanray is always focused on designing cutting-edge indigenous medical technologies which is cost-effective and can be catered to masses globally. Today we have 10 manufacturing plants, 50 plus world-class products, also 80 advanced patents with quite a few trademarks.
We at Skanray are very much focused not only on the core technologies but also in putting a character and feel to the product.
This company has the right people, right process and right product to grow to a $1 billion organization in the next 3 to 4 years. I'm proud to be part of the Skanray team.
I was really surprised when Government of India was showing the numbers that the imports of the Indian electronics sector is almost reaching to more than $200 billion. And the pleasant surprise, I would say the fantastic surprise that I've seen is that one of the largest Indian electronics industry player, Skanray, is actually standing up for the entire Indian electronics industry and saying, hey, we need a Lahari type of project to make sure that Indian electronics industry enable that.
In Skanray, we coined this unique concept of life-life balance. It's as important to live a happy life as much as our ambition in technology or achievement in a professional space. So if the workplace is less stressful, if it's fun along with work, if it is transparent, not political, I don't think people will be able to differentiate when they are at home and when they are at office. Even in the startup phase, we put up a water recycling plant. We built environment, healthy and safety standards of Europe, and we were really short of money, but we never skipped even those minute details. We are already a multinational company with 8 plants outside India, but we have a long way to go. We are not yet at a point to celebrate success, but we are on the path to feel nice and hope for a very, very bright future.
Skanray is a movement, not just a healthcare technology company.